Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to prepare delicious chicken mandi. First cut the chicken into 4 pieces. Don't remove the skin. Wash and clean and pierce the chicken with the help of fork. Take whole garam masala, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 10 to 12 cloves, 8 green cardamom, 2 star, 2 bay leaves, 1 spoon cumin seed, 1 spoon coriander seed, 2 spoon pepper. Slightly fry in a medium-low flame. When the aroma comes, switch off the flame, then grind into a powder. Transfer into a vessel. Add 2 cubes of chicken stock. Squeeze 2 lemon. Add a pinch of red food color. It's optional. Mix all together. Add salt and mix. Add 2 spoons of olive oil. Mix and apply to the chicken. Marinate for 15 minutes. In a pressure cooker, add 2 spoons of oil and fry the whole garam masala. Add 1 dried lemon. Saute for 2 minutes. Place the marinated chicken in the cooker. Remember to keep the skin side down. Pressure cook for 1 whistle. Boil water in a large vessel. Add salt. Squeeze 1 lemon. Add oil so that the rice does not stick to each other. When the water boils, add rice. I have taken 4 glasses of rice which are washed and soaked. When the rice is cooked 70%, strain the rice. You can add rice to the same cooker. Here I am transferring into a large vessel. I'm keeping this little stock for later use. Switch on the flame and add rice. Add the chicken stock which was kept for later use. Add little red food color. Make holes in between. If you want a smoky flavor, put 1 piece of charcoal in a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of ghee or butter. Keep the bowl in the middle and cover with foil. Keep for 2 minutes in high flame and 15 minutes in low flame. Now slowly transfer the rice into another vessel. Mix gently with the help of a fork. Chicken mandi is ready now. Enjoy! Try this recipe and comment me below. Please do like, share and subscribe if you have not done so. Don't forget to hit the bell notification button to get notified when I upload. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, bye.